Introducing the Nuova Simonelli Aurelia 2T33 Group Espresso Machine MAUMBIISEM03CW0006, a professional-grade espresso system designed for precision, consistency, and high performance. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Engineered for busy cafés and specialty coffee bars, the Aurelia 2T3 delivers exceptional brewing control through its advanced T3 technology, allowing baristas to independently manage temperature, pressure, and brewing time for each group head. This ensures every espresso shot is extracted to perfection, rich in flavor, aroma, and crema. With its triple group design, multiple drinks can be brewed simultaneously without compromising quality, making it ideal for high-volume service. The ergonomic Barista interface enhances workflow efficiency with raised group heads, LED lighting, and responsive soft-touch controls that keep operations smooth even during rush hours. Built for performance and sustainability, the Aurelia 2T3 incorporates energy-efficient systems that maintain stable brewing temperatures while minimizing power consumption. Its multi-boiler setup ensures consistent steam and water pressure, delivering perfectly balanced espresso shots throughout the day. Every unit includes a free Espresso Starter Kit and a 3M water filter system, giving you everything you need to start brewing right away while ensuring water purity for better taste and longer machine life. Crafted with durable stainless steel and elegant Italian design, this espresso machine not only performs flawlessly but also elevates the look of any coffee setup. It's trusted by barista champions and professional coffeehouses worldwide for its precision, reliability, and consistency. If you're looking for a powerful, efficient, and beautifully designed espresso machine that delivers cafe-quality results with every shot, the Nuova Simonelli Aurelia 2T33 Group Espresso Machine is the perfect choice. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.